How many dreams have you delayed because you didn't feel ready? Starting a business, going to the gym, taking out that special someone, getting that dream job. We tell ourselves, I'll start when I'm ready. But when is that going to come? Yo guys, welcome to the channel. And today, let's start. So, first of all, weight update. I am now 67.90 kilograms. That's a big win for me. Keeping up the consistency. Let's get it, okay? You need to be consistent with your weight, with going to the gym. Stop the waiting game, guys. You need to continue your dreams, okay? Stop making excuses for yourself. Stop delaying your dreams. These excuses. Stop telling yourself, I'll do it tomorrow. I'll do it next week. But when is that going to come? When will you start? The timing. Don't wait for a perfect time. There is no perfect time. It's today. You gotta start today. Okay? Actually, the time is already perfect. The timing is now. Start now, guys. When I started this YouTube channel, I was scared, okay? Everyone has that fear, that awkwardness of starting. And you just need to start. Just start now. Repetition beats everything. When you do something many times, with a lot of repetition, it just becomes natural. Like I said before in my previous videos, playing the piano, it's just muscle memory. So don't be scared. My arm. Stay away from your comfort zone, guys. Okay? You gotta leave that place. How will you grow? You need to leave that comfort zone so that you will grow. You don't need to be perfect, guys. You start now, and with repetition, just like I said, you will get better. It's gonna be like muscle memory. It's gonna be natural for you. And so that perfect video won't come unless you start now, okay? I mean, there is no perfect, so you just need to keep doing it and you'll get better. When are you going to build up the courage, okay? When are you going to build up that courage? I've been playing a lot of games and there is this game that I like, The Legend of Zelda. Link is the main character who has the Triforce of Courage. And all of us, we need to give our best to remove all our fears and be brave enough to start the things we said that we will do, our dreams, okay? We need to start doing actions now. All our promises, starting that business, going to the gym, talking to that special someone, getting that dream job, those actions need to start now. The lesson for today is you need to just start now, okay guys? No need to wait. No need to wait for that perfect timing. No need to be scared. Because I was scared. I was waiting for the perfect time. Actually, I started when I had just this iPhone 12. I started with no mic, remember? So it's time to start now. Okay? No need to delay your dreams. Because what if you waited to get that perfect mic, that perfect camera, that perfect phone, the perfect everything, the perfect equipment, and when you start, you're just gonna be at the bottom. Because what if you're still shy or you're still awkward? You couldn't talk to the camera when people are around. So how is that? You gotta start now. Repetition beats everything. Progress beats everything. And with repetition, that's gonna stack 1% better every day. Okay? So I'm telling you, you gotta start now. Just do it. Shia LaBeouf, guys. Shia LaBeouf. Start doing it now. Just do it. Okay? My arm, it's killing me. My arm. So, the mistakes. Of course, with the past videos, I've seen my mistakes. And I'm trying to improve myself every day. You've seen me. You've seen how I talk to the camera every day with all of my videos. And I'm trying to improve myself. And you too. Once you start making that YouTube video, taking out someone, going to the gym, all those things, surely you will have mistakes. Not everyone is perfect. And you will fix that. Because you'll learn. Okay, guys? Okay? You guys will learn from all of those mistakes. And like I said again, I'm gonna repeat it. Repetition beats everything. And when repetition beats everything, you're gonna get that confidence. Okay? What I notice is that my confidence is getting up. Making these videos, talking to the camera. My confidence is skyrocketing, guys. And I'm telling you, if you start now, that confidence is gonna build up. Okay? Wait, my arm is killing telling me again? And of course, when you have that confidence, the momentum starts. The momentum is there. It's gonna help you get through all of this, okay? So, again, when you do the repetition, you have the confidence, the momentum starts, and the ride just keeps going. It never stops, guys. The momentum. It's like flow state. Just do it, chill both. And sooner or later, the growth is gonna come. You're not gonna notice it, but the growth is gonna come, okay? I'm just trusting the process. I know I'm gonna get it, okay? Trust in the process. Trust the growth. So, in the future, when you start now, you're gonna tell yourself, oh my, it's me. I've been through a lot. I've been far. And in the future, you're gonna tell yourself, it's a good thing I started that day. Cause the future you will thank you, okay? He or she is gonna thank you because you started sooner and not later and not delaying yourself. It's gonna thank you, okay? So start now. So now I'm gonna challenge you guys. What is that one thing that you wanted to start but haven't? Why are you delaying yourself? Do it now. Start now. Stop waiting for the perfect times. Stop waiting to get that better equipment. If you just have your phone, if you're gonna start a YouTube channel, if you have your phone, just start now. If going to the gym, you don't have money for the gym membership, just start body weights before going to the gym, okay? If you can't talk to your crush yet, just talk to people, to random strangers. Practice your speaking skills, okay? Just start. That's my challenge to you guys, okay? Okay guys, that's it for the video. I hope you like and subscribe. Tell me in the comment section what's that something you want to do right now, and I'm telling you, don't delay it, okay? Don't delay it. And I hope this video inspired you and maybe start that one thing that you want to do, okay? Peace!